But as you guys can see, the manual is upside down, so keep in mind you will have to turn it around before you start reading it. Yo guys, Dizzy here back with another video. Today I'm going to be unboxing the blue Snowball. It just came in the mail today, and yeah, this is my first ever unboxing video. If you want to see more videos like this, comment down below, and yeah, let's get straight into it. Okay, as you guys can see here, I got the white version. I cannot wait to open this. Okay, I've taken off the plastic wrap. Okay, and this is what the box looks like. Let me just show you guys here. This is the box. It looks really nice. Okay, now I'm gonna open it. Okay. Wow. It's right here. That's the blue Snowball. Well, I got the white one. So there's two options. It's white or black. There's no blue. I don't know why they did that. And okay, this is the mic. It's just a ball, and then the stand, and it comes with the wire right here, and the stand, and it also comes with a manual. But as you guys can see, the manual is upside down, so keep in mind you will have to turn it around before you start reading. Yeah, let's get rid of that. Okay, so here's the stand. Okay, here's the stand. Let's open it. Let's open this wire. Okay, the stand, the wire, and the mic itself. Okay, yep. Let's open up the mic. Can you see it's shiny? Yes. Okay, looks like it has a little bit of plastic in there, in the hole that you put the mic in. Okay, this is how it looks at the bottom of it. I'm pretty sure you just attach that onto the thinger, but first, let me quickly get something. Okay, so here's the blue Snowball mic, and I got like an extra pop filter like thing, right here, like a pop filter to put on top of the mic. And yeah, well, I have no idea how this pop filter is supposed to get on, but okay guys, so I got the pop filter on, and now it just looks like well, it just looks like a ball. that's so this is the pop filter. It has a hole at the bottom, and it has a big hole at the back for the wire, and here's the hole for the bottom. Now let's try getting this stand on. Okay, I got the stand on, and yeah, it's just a ball on a stand. Yeah, if you guys enjoyed today's video and you want to see more unboxing videos, like and subscribe. There will be a new unboxing video on the Astro C40 controller. That's gonna be soon, and yeah.